Hi, you with me Dior again. So I already bought this second-hand LG V50. Now this is the unboxing for the LG dual screen only. So if you look into the details, it's LM4V505N. So this is the model. It's for the LG V50 Thank You. Alright, and this is original accessories by LG. And never been opened yet. So let's open it. Ta-da! Okay. What's that first? This one is LG Kantan Shayo Shol Show. Maybe quick review of menu. Okay, this is the dual screen. This is like the So, like that, hands, and then, okay. So, I just read the basics. So, first look is, it looks a bit cheap because of the plastic, but so this is the detail behind. You can see the product model, and also this is the connecting the screen. So it doesn't need any power, so we just connect it with the original V50. There. Move what's showing on the screen to the other spot that's on the screen. Turn on dual screen. If you use comfort, use firmware update. Oh, they got something. It asks for firmware update. Do not remove dual screen and do not turn off. Okay. Okay, but just now, okay, free software update now. Later. 1 hour later. Okay. No? Cannot use. Means have to restart that. Okay. So no problem. And this is a new one. And just now I saw the second phase. So I'm gonna follow off, and then later I'll do the review of the overall inside, how to update and everything. Okay, thanks. Done.